Happy New Year! I wanted to film this video of my 2021 bullet journal setup for anyone who is curious about getting into bullet journaling or just needs some ideas. I always start my bullet journal off each year with a dot grid. This is so I can number out how many dots are on the page, and it makes it easier when I reference and make grids so I don't have to recount each month. So I always do this in halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, and sevenths because there's 7 days of the week.
We do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
One of my favorite pages in my book is my goals and resolutions for 2021, and I usually get pretty specific with this. As you can see, I usually have a word of the year, which this year my word is strength. I want to become stronger in every aspect of my life, physically, mentally, and emotionally. I also focus on social media, goals, habits, personal fitness, and mental fitness as well.
Dropping everything.
I skip doing a year at a glance and I go straight into a month at a glance. Here I just wrote down each month and then I numbered down, and this is where I put in birthdays that I have, events, vacations, whatever. And each month when I go to start that month, I look back, reference here, and I add all the birthdays into that month's calendar. I like to keep track of my vacation days and my time off requests because I take it very seriously, and I don't want any boss of mine to tell me that I took a day when I didn't. So I write down what I have, when I used it, what I used, so I keep it all in one place and I'm organized. Another favorite page is my travel savings. I like to do this when I have a trip coming up. I write the trip down at the bottom, I set out a budget, and then I color in when I've saved that specific amount.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think
Putting out more content on my YouTube channel is definitely a 2021 goal, so I wanted to set aside 2 pages specifically on that to give myself ideas and to keep track of my subscribers. It's just a way that I can look back and see where I was and have a goal in mind.
I think we were meant to be.
So I have 4 main Instagrams, and I wanted to do a page per Instagram. So I have my Dots by Ness, which is strictly bullet journal related, and then I have my fitness account, which is healthy foods, my fitness journey, body updates, and all of that.
You said yourself you'd be breaking your vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us.
My All Things Ness account, which is my YouTube Instagram account. So this is where I post shorter videos of DIYs and anything like that. I also have a personal Instagram, but I'm not going to do a page on that.
And I'll be out there looking for someone like you.
I personally like to do a money saving guide and an expenses and budget tracker. No matter how hard you were hit this past year, I think it is good to just see your expenses on a page and just to know how you can save more and all of that. So I always put a lot of emphasis on this one as well.
What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight?
In years past, I would do a beauty tracker, cleaning tracker, or I would write down books and podcasts that I wanted to listen to and all of that. But over time, I realized that I don't actually really go back and use those as much, so I wanted to simplify things. this is what I've come up with and I use all the time, so I hope you enjoyed my 2021 bullet journal setup, and I hope that you learned a thing or two and would even like to try it yourself. Enjoy and have a great new year!
To do what your dreams are telling you to do, and I'll be out there looking for someone like you. I don't think you're supposed to go. Maybe I'm just too slow. We should just lean together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must. To do what your dreams are telling you to do, and I'll be out there looking for someone like you.